Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to import the Google Street View into Blender 5.1 to make it as the HDRI image-based lighting and also make it as a 360-degree panorama background. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all the step-by-step how to download the Google Street View and send it to Blender 5.1. Let's go. Alright, the first step, just go to my video description and go and download the Street View download 360 degree. Scroll down, just click any of the download buttons that are available at there. Once you already download it, then just extract it to the folder. Then open the Street View download 360 degree and stand by it there. This one, don't need to update, just press later. Alright, next, just go to the Google Street View just by going to the Google maps.google.com. So from here, you can just access any of the Street View. Click on that. Then click. This is the Google Street View. If you want to download this, then you can just copy this URL, Ctrl+C to copy, and then paste it here, Ctrl+V. The path to save the file, you can just choose wherever you want. So this is the path to save. Then the resolution, choose the highest, click download panorama. It is going to download it into the desktop for this case. Just wait for a few seconds here. Right, it almost done. Okay, now the Street View is already downloaded at here. If you try to open it, this is a equi-rectangular map. So now you can just open the Blender 5.1. Okay, next, just drag your mouse cursor to somewhere here. When you can see a cross, then just drag to here. The object mode here. So what you need to see is click here, change it to shader editor. Then change the object to world. This is the world shader. Drag the color out. Type environment texture. Choose. Then here open. Open the Street View from the desktop. Choose the one. Then here turn on the material texture. You can see the Street View is already inside your Blender. This is Blender 5.1. You can create your 3D animation on the Street View as long as you put something at the correct position. It is really cool. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to import the Google Street View into Blender 5.1 to make it become the image-based lighting, to make it become the 360-degree panorama, and also make it as a background for your Blender 5.1 3D animations and 3D modeling software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you.